Ciao from Calabria. My name is Christel and I'm from Space to Love, and this is Space to Love Quick Tips. So in my last video I was just showing you how to do a towel, so we're going to continue on with that. So if you have a pool house or a guest bathroom and you kind of want to have a spa look, it's always nice to do that roll up kind of look with the towel. So you're just going to take your big towel, again find your corners, fold it once, fold it twice, put it down on a flat surface, and maybe even bring in the edges a little bit. So we're not going to see that when you roll it up. And then just try and do a nice tight roll with the towels like that. See, the end looks nice like that. Very simple. You can put that in a little basket or have it underneath the vanity in your guest bathroom. To do another nice little fold, we'll do the same thing. You're going to find your two corners, fold it once, fold it twice, put it on a flat surface. Keep the nice part with the trim out, and then you're going to go in once, one corner, go in with the second corner, and then fold it over. So you do have that nice little look like that, which is cute. All right, and then, we have our little hand towels, right? They need a little love too, so we're going to fold it once like this, and then do the same. 1, 2, and then you can have it folded like that, which looks really nice. And then we also have our hand towels. We'll do the same exact fold, have it all look consistent. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then have it folded like that as well. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to know more about us at Space to Love, check us out at spacetolove.com. And of course, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Again, thanks so much for watching, and ciao from Calabria.